All right. So, I know it has been a long time since I put out any fresh content. I'm going to try to keep this video nice and short. Lots of stuff has been going on. I'm not, when I film these kind of videos, I'm not trying to just give y'all a litany of excuses for why I haven't been filming anything or putting out content like I'm supposed to. But there is legitimate things going on in my life. So chiefly among those is me and Brittany are engaged. I proposed to her a little while ago. Um, so we're gonna get married in this coming spring, probably in the early spring. Um, so that's been going on. So that's good news. That's wonderful. Really looking forward to that. But I proposed in the winter, so then wait for it to get a little bit warmer, and then we're not going to have a big ceremony or anything. But still, she wants to get married in the spring. That way, we can have better photographs. More stuff going on. Um, Work's been, it's been work. So that's taken up obviously the bulk of my time. And then there's been stuff going on outside of that that it's all of it's not really worth telling, but just stuff that occupies your time or either keeps you distracted where you're not in the right mindset to come out here and film, which is mainly the main reason whenever you get these long gaps in videos is usually because it's not that I don't want to work on the truck. It's really just that like I'm not in the mood to work on the truck. And if you're not in the mood to do mechanical work or anything, you're going to have more problems than normal. So when you're dealing with projects like this that aren't necessities, I mean it's a necessity for me, but like in everyday life, it's not a necessity. It becomes, a little bit harder to convince yourself to go do it. I have been doing lots of other stuff. I just haven't been filming it. So I've been working on some of my other trucks. I've been working on stuff in the house and all this kind of stuff, and I haven't been filming any of those. So it's not just this channel that's been suffering. I actually have two other channels. I don't talk about them very often. One of them I've never mentioned on here. Um, so I've got Red Bearded History, which is my history channel, which I've horribly neglected. And then I have a channel that me and Brittany do together that we've only got a few videos on, but it's about our farmhouse and it's called the Redbud Porch. Okay. Our house is over 100 years old, so we're doing a lot of different stuff to it here and there, fixing it up, changing it the way we want it to be, fixing problems that, come along with 100-year-old houses. So it's kind of like a homestead vibe channel, but it's just barely started. Just a few videos on there, and then of course we have the flagship channel, the Red Clay Traveler. All right, so I've been neglecting all three. Um, I'm not going to promise you that I'm always going to be able to be. I've said in the past I'm going to make an effort to be more consistent and all that, and I always intend to do that. And then I don't always deliver on that, so I'm not going to promise those kind of things anymore. I'll just try to tell you that I am aware of it. It bothers me. I'm not happy about it, and I'm hoping to make small adjustments to make uploads more common, kind of like I used to do. I've got over 200 videos on here, so even if I'm not uploading consistently, I've got over 200 videos. Chances are you haven't seen all of them. Some of them kind of suck. The early ones, they really do suck. Some of you might think they all suck. I don't know. Go watch them anyway, and then you can tell me I suck in the comments. But anyway, I just want to give you all a brief update. We've got 16 chickens, 2 dogs, and 5 cats. Then when I go to work, it's dark. When I get home, it's dark. It's been cold as crap. We're engaged now. There's just been a lot of stuff going on that eats up time. And, but, I want to film because I enjoy doing this. And I want to work on the Willys because I love doing this. And I love sharing it with y'all. So, uh, that's basically it. It's just kind of a short update. I love you all deeply. Thank you for still watching. The majority of my viewers on any given video, the majority of you are new viewers. So I'm going to make an effort to remember that in the future because you know, a lot of you that's been following me for the whole time know what I'm referencing in some of my videos and stuff, or things that I'm talking about, other projects and stuff. But if you're new to the channel, you don't know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to try to make an effort to remember that in future videos to try to make a better explanation, so that if this is your first time, it's not like you're just slung in the middle of a conversation that you know didn't get to hear the precursor to. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up now, and we're gonna get to filming another video, and we're gonna get back to work on the Willys because it's waited long enough, and that's it. I love you all deeply. I hope y'all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. It was also just the anniversary of Pearl Harbor, and it was just the anniversary of when JFK was allegedly assassinated by Lee Harvey Oswald. So there's lots of anniversaries coming up, and of course Christmas is coming up. So I hope y'all are having a good time with your family, and I hope that that the new year brings you nothing but joy. And you remember that this whole season of Christmas is about what it is, which is Christ. And I hope that you all have a wonderful family get together and you have fellowship with your loved ones. Whether you believe the things I do or not, I still want nothing but blessings for you. And I hope God blesses you in the new year. I am the Red Clay Traveler. I love you all deeply. And until 5 minutes from now, when I start filming again, keep on keeping on. And no matter what, Willys for life. Yeah, buddy.